Okay, we're back. I'm gonna pull this thing out of the way. I think we might be actually done with that. I'm going to disengage the lead screw as opposed to disengage the half nut in case I have to come back and use this tool. I might be able to start right where I left off at. And my gutter was just deep enough, and maybe not deep enough. Okay. This file is actually a 60-degree. Some very fine paper here. Okay, I'm gonna go see if I can find a 1/2 inch nut. I'll be right back. It won't be long. We're a little closer. Not sure if I can get you a good view of the actual threads. like that depth of that. I want to introduce a little file here and see if I can't clean it up, polish it a little bit, and I don't know if I have a nut that'll thread onto that, actually. Take this off. Okay, I found a 1/2 inch nut. Now this is the quality of it or what, but this is very, very tight. It is the right nut, and obviously, but the quality of the nut and bolt, I don't know. But it is a 1/2 inch nut. And it threads right on, and it's a little a little loose, a little sloppy. Although it will tighten down. So this is better than the last one. I mean, I don't know if it doesn't quite look like that. Of course, it fits in there just fine. But I think we can call that a success. I have some scratches in my gutter here. I want to clean that scratch up, so it's not very pretty. But other than that, I think we have succeeded. And 13 threads per inch, ½ inch. Last time I did this, it was probably 20-30 minutes of filing and sanding, and I realized that all I really needed to do was sand the tops down. The filing wasn't really doing anything at all. So my lesson learned on the last time was filing in the threads not so much. Where I needed my help was knocking the points down a little bit. And this time I didn't have to really do much at all. And I'm not sure if I did it on camera or not, but before I disengaged the lead screw direction in the neutral, I did use this gauge, and I'm sure it's not the way you're supposed to do it, but I kind of use this gauge just to eyeball my depth and trying to get it. You can see it. And somewhere in there. And so I kind of use this to measure my depth before I disengaged, because I was concerned about disengaging the half nut and getting it started back up where I needed it to be. And I probably have the same problem re-engaging the lead screw. Let's test that theory. So I'm going to re-engage the lead screw. And see if that still brings me to the right position. And I'm going to do the rest of this by hand. Nope, it would have lost my position. Just kind of experimenting here to see if it's possible to line this back up. Not so much. I think once you disengage that, you've disengaged it. Alright guys, I'm happy. I have 2 more pieces of material that are prepped for threading, and I don't exactly remember what the diameter of these are. I think it's 5/16 and 7/16. So you see, 7/16 would be 437. So yeah, that's 437. About 433 and a half. Let me check my 0. Oh, I was off. This one should be 5/16. It should be 0.312. No. Look what I did there. Yeah, there it is, 0.312. So 5/16. I did good. This one, 7/16 should be 437. 432 and a half. See what the other end looks like. So it's a little undersized for 5/16. We'll see how it goes. I'm not sure what this is. This is just laying around here. This is a metric thread, I think. Okay, this is an M12. Maybe it's not a metric thread. I'll have to edit all this out. This is bullshit. Maybe that is a 1/2 inch and it's a different quality thread and nut. Let me find my other one. Let me get my thread gauge now. Let's just do this one. Okay, so this is my 1/2 inch 13. It doesn't want to thread on, just like the other one. Well, let's try the one we've been testing with. That's 13. I made this, I don't know, out of boredom, out of fascination with cutting threads, but practicing hand tapping. I've broken one tap in my short career, and it wasn't on this. It was actually on my apron for the chip guard, which I ended up gluing. But I have 6, 8, and 10 30-seconds on the side. 3/8, and it skips around a little bit. 1/4 20, 5/16, half, and then the metric is a little more complete. Just little project. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Love you all. Well, we can do better than that. Bye-bye.